100 Physics MCQ questions. For competitive exams.
Most liquids that conduct electricity are solutions of acid, bases, and salts. The attribute dash specifies the distance between two adjacent cells. Cell spacing. When an ebonite rod is rubbed with fur, the charge acquired by the fur is positive. The resistivity ρ of a material may be expressed in units of ohm centimeter. Electric motor converts dash energy to mechanical energy. Electrical. Which of the following cells convert electrical energy into chemical energy? Electrolytic. Who invented the electric tram? Fyodor Pirotsky. In SI, unit of electric field is Newton per Coulomb. A stationary charge produces an electric field only. Identify the material commonly used for making coils of a resistance box. Manganese. The reciprocal of resistance is conductance. Which of the following has a negative temperature coefficient? Carbon. Kirchhoff's first law, summation of I is equal to 0 at a junction, deals with the conservation of charge. The instrument for the accurate measurement of the EMF of a cell is potentiometer. A kilowatt hour is a unit of energy. 1 kilowatt hour equals 36 into 10 to the power 5 joule. Watt hour meter measures electrical energy. A heater coil is cut into two equal parts, and only one part is now used in the heater. The heat generated will be doubled. Electroplating does not help metals to become hard. When current flows through a conductor, heat is produced. This is Joule effect. For a thermocouple, the thermo EMF may be either 0 or negative or positive. Any of the above is the answer. The thermoelectric power is the rate of change of thermo EMF with temperature. Tesla is a unit of magnetic induction. Weber per meter square is equal to Tesla. If a current is passed through a spring, then the spring will compress. The basic instrument employed to detect current is galvanometer. To convert a galvanometer into an ammeter, we connect low resistance in parallel. Working of safety fuses depends upon magnetic effect of current, chemical effect of current, magnitude of current, heating effect of current. Select the correct answer using the code given below. 3 and 4 are only the right answers. Which one of the following devices changes low voltage alternating current to high voltage alternating current and vice versa? Transformer. The dielectric constant of metals is infinite. Electric current is measured using which of the following instrument? Ammeter. Ohm's law is valid in case of conductor. Which of the following instruments can detect the presence of a current in a circuit? Galvanometer. At which place Earth's magnetic field becomes horizontal? Magnetic equator. A galvanometer can be converted into a voltmeter by connecting with it a high resistance in series. When a number of resistors are connected in series in a circuit, the value of current decreases. Which of the following has low resistivity? Nichrome. Electric resistance is measured by a voltmeter. The resistance of an ideal voltmeter is infinite. The resistance of ideal ammeter is 0. Which finger shows the direction of a current in Fleming's left hand rule? Middle finger. The dash is connected in parallel in an electric circuit. Voltmeter. If 2 coulomb of charge flows through any cross section of a conductor in 1 second, what will be the current flowing through it? 2 ampere. Keeping the voltage constant, if more lamps are put into a series circuit, the overall current in the circuit decreases. Filament of electric bulb is made of tungsten. A thermoelectric refrigerator works on Peltier effect. The electrolyte in a dry cell is ammonium chloride. The electrolyte in a car battery is sulfuric acid. The coil of an electric heater is made of nichrome. In a filament type light bulb, most of the electric power consumed appears as visible light. Cyclotron is a device to accelerate protons. The magnetic field lines cannot intersect at all. The line joining the points of horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field is called magnetic meridian. The angle between the Earth's magnetic axis and Earth's geographic axis is 23 degrees. Earth's magnetic field always has a horizontal component except at poles. At magnetic poles, the angle of dip is 90 degrees. The angle of dip at the magnetic equator is 0 degree. Isoconic lines on magnetic map represent the line of equal declination. Which of the following is ferromagnetic? Nickel. Which of the following is paramagnetic? Antimony. In which type of material the magnetic susceptibility does not depend on temperature? Diamagnetic. Which of the following is most suitable for the core of electromagnets? Soft iron. Which part of the magnet has the least magnetic power? In the middle. The SI unit of pole strength is ampere meter. The vertical component of Earth's magnetic field is 0 at a place where angle of dip is 0 degree. A fuse wire is characterized by high resistance and low melting point. Good conductors have many loosely bound electrons. Alternating current can be measured by hot wire ammeter. Which type of cell can be used if a device requires 75 ampere of current for 15 seconds? Lead acid cell. A circuit has a fuse having a rating of 5 ampere. What is the maximum number of 100 watt 220 volt bulbs that can be safely connected in parallel in the circuit? 11. A 100 watt electric bulb is used for 10 hours a day. How many units of energy are consumed in 30 days? 30. 5 bulbs each rated as 220 volt 100 watt burned 4 hours. What is the cost of electricity consumed if the rate is 50 paise per unit? 1 rupee. Fluorescent tubes are fitted with a choke. The choke coil steps up the line voltage. What is the magnitude of electric resistance of human body? 10 to the power 6 ohm. Which one of the following is printed on commonly used fluorescent tube light? 6500 Kelvin. Which one of the following nonmetals is not a poor conductor of electricity? Selenium. In electric supply lines in India, which parameter is kept constant? Frequency. What is the maximum number of different electrical combination possible with 3 equal resistance? 4. Mho is the unit of conductivity. Permanent magnet can be made from cobalt. MCB, which cuts off the electric supply in case of short circuiting, works on the heating effect of current. Instrument used to store the electric charge is known as capacitor. Conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy occurs in battery. A fuse wire is made of an alloy of tin and lead. Transformer works with alternating current. Fleming's right-hand rule is used to find the direction of the induced current. Who invented the battery? Volta. Liquids and gases never show ferromagnetic property. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction is related to the law of conservation of energy. The minimum and maximum values of power factor in an AC circuit are 0 and 1. In AC circuits, the AC meters measure RMS values. Hot wire ammeters are used for measuring only AC. If the speed of rotation of dynamo is doubled, then the induced EMF will become double. The device that does not work on the principle of mutual induction is motor. A motor starter is a variable resistance. A dynamo is sometimes said to generate electricity. It acts as a source of EMF. Velocity of light is maximum in vacuum. Which phenomena shows the particle nature of light? Photoelectric effect. An object in which no light rays can pass through is called opaque object. The last question, question number 100. The diameter of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is called aperture.